Hello everyone. This is our second problem solving session on vectors. In today's session we will be discussing few problems, around 10-15 problems on properties of vector addition. Right? Now the first problem is, if A and B are two vectors such that A plus B magnitude is equal to A minus B magnitude, the angle between the vectors A and B is, right? Now you know that, let us say this is vector A and this is vector B. Then if you draw the parallelogram, right, let us say this is A, this is B, okay, this is also B, this is also A, right? Then this is A plus B vector, right? And this is A minus B vector, right? Now if the magnitudes of these two lines, these two diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, right, then the logic, if we apply simple logic, we will come to know that this A and B, they should be perpendicular, right? Because if we have a rectangle, okay, then only the diagonals have equal length, right? This we know from our basic knowledge of geometry, right? Then only this diagonal A plus B and this diagonal A minus B will be equal in magnitudes, right? Now the same problem can also be done using the mathematical vector analysis. We know that A plus B, okay, if you find out the magnitude, it will be under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, right? And the magnitude of A minus B is equal to under root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta, right? Now if these two values, these two magnitudes are same, it will mean that 2AB cos theta is equal to minus 2AB cos theta, right? Which means that cos theta should be 0 or theta should be 90 degree, right? So among the four options, option C is correct. Now in the second problem, it is given that there are three vectors P, Q and R, right? P plus Q is equal to R. The magnitude of P is 12, magnitude of Q is 5, right? And R is 13. Now 12, 5 and 13, 12, 5 and 13 forms Pythagorean triplet, like 3, 4, 5, right? You have 3, 4, 5 very common Pythagorean triplet. Similarly you have 12, 5 and 13 Pythagorean triplet, right? Now P plus Q is given equal to R, right? What is P? This is P and this is Q, right? Now we have to find out the angle between P and Q. We know that 12 and 5, this is 12, this is 5, they should be mutually perpendicular such that the third side becomes 13, right? This angle should be 90 degree. This side is 13, right? And it is given that P plus Q is equal to R, right? Now P plus Q is equal to R, what does it mean? It means that how should we draw the vectors, right? Now just think over it. we know that, let us say q is starting from here, this is vector q, tail of q to the head of q, right? This is vector q. Tail of p, this is vector p, right? To head of p. Now if you join the tail of q with tail of head of p, you will get q plus p, which is equal to p plus q, right? So this will be your vector r, right? So if I ask you what is the angle between the two, you can, the vector between angle, the angle between p and q, it is 90 degree, right? That is pi by 2. It is given in radians, right? You should be familiar by this time in using radians as the angle of unit of angle, right?